The way we commemorate war has a really big impact on the continuing way we'll view conflict in our modern world. The study tour was really emotional at times, very challenging to kind of just see the scale of war in a really practical way compared to, I think we hear about it a lot at home, but can never contextualise the mass scale of death that occurred. And so I think that was the biggest thing that I took from it. We started here at the War Memorial and then travelled on to London, Turkey, through Belgium, and travelling down through France, down to Paris. So a big trip across the Gallipoli Peninsula and then down along the Western Front. Not all things can be learnt from writing essays and being at a desk all day. I think being able to be out there, being emotionally connected to spaces and challenging what you're seeing in a supportive environment like it was on the tour is a really great way to extend yourself. I think it changed a lot of my perceptions about what actually happened at Gallipoli. I think I gained a great understanding of the Turkish side to that campaign. Being able to understand that there's two sides of war is a really important concept that I think I picked up on the tour. I made a great set of friends. I went overseas with a really great professor who knows so much about it and has a genuine passion for it, which I think gave me a passion that I didn't have before for it as well. And I suppose being able to be out in the field and practically learning in countries like Turkey, Belgium, France just gave you a lot more hands-on insight into what the First World War was like. Receiving the CAS travel grant that I received for my trip was so helpful, and I was so happy because it just takes off that financial burden that I kind of was feeling a little bit for the trip. I'd signed up and I was like, can I really save that much money to be able to go? And so in receiving it from CAS was a really great opportunity. I like history because I think it teaches you a lot about where you are currently and gives you a lot of perspective on kind of what's happened to society and where we're going from there.